The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called Redmi A5. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi A5 features a tall 6.88-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni SoC T7250 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi A5 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 32-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box under Go Edition, and the company promises to provide 2 years of OS and 4 years of security updates. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.7 by 77.8 by 8.2mm, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi A5 has been priced in India for 3GB plus 64GB storage variant at 6,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 7,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in just black, jaslam or gold, and Pondicherry blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi A5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.